Okay, the question is basically for the reaction of 2Cl, that gives you Cl2, the correct option will be, the four options has been given to us. We have to find out the correct option here. Okay, so the equation is basically written here again. That is 2Cl gives you Cl2G plus heat. So atoms forming a molecule is making a system that is basically less distorted. Okay, so it is less distorted. So entropy is basically decreasing. That is, our delta is in decreasing. That would be equals to negative. It is written here also because the number of chlorine atom decreases in the formation of Cl2G. So delta S should be less than 0. So delta S would be negative. Now further the addition reaction, that is basically delta H, that is exothermic reaction, will be taking place. So since a bond is being formed, so the delta H will also be negative. It is written this here, you can see. So delta H will also be less than 0. So the correct answer would be option number 2.